No, success don't come like that. Success comes by the will of the Lord. So he says, Yakyasishta asana santo. If those demigods have given you something and you do not offer something to them, then you are called a thief. Krishna says here, Yagyasishta asana santo muchyante sarvakil vishayi punyante iti tuham papa ye pachante atmakaranat. He says that there, that if you do not offer the things which you have taken from the demigods, then you actually eating sin. Therefore, you should offer everything and then you eat. By doing so, you will become free from all sin. Value is, look at this. If demigods ate everything what we offer, we would not offer anything to demigods. They don't eat, they leave you back. If we take a plate of food to Krishna, Krishna eats, but he leaves everything as it is. So, two class of people think in two different ways by seeing the plate returning from Krishna. There is a Arya Samaj society in Haryana, mostly in Haryana. You heard of that one? Arya Samaj society. So Arya Samajis, they say, you took a plate of food because it's made of stone, he don't eat anything, you brought it back. Don't you have any brain to understand that stone cannot eat? Why do you take, stupid, you spent half an hour, 1 hour to make offering, you bring back as it is, not even when a grain of rice is missing. So devotee says, sir, madam, look, Krishna eats differently than the human beings. Human beings start eating, is reduction in the plate. But Krishna, if he eats like that, then there will be no difference between God and living entity. Therefore Krishna eats and leaves everything as it is. That is the specialty of God.